3 easy tactics to increase mindfulness and staying motivated. Being mindful and staying motivated is the art we should master in order to succeed in this ever-changing world. The world we live in is constantly changing. Every day we have to adapt with the new changes. As we meet different people, we change our jobs, so we have to be mindful of all that is said and unsaid. We must be mindful of the written and the unwritten rules. We must be aware of our surroundings as well as of ourselves. These 3 tactics will make you more mindful. Meditate. Number 1 tactic to be mindful is to meditate. It is highly important to take some time out from our busy schedule and spend some time with ourselves. You can go out for a walk and recollect your energy, or listen to calm music to recollect your thoughts. It is in the quietest minutes when we get our inspiration and see the path of our life. Simple everyday practices such as setting an alarm and giving yourself few minutes of relaxation and break from the work can help you recollect your thoughts and energy. The best way to cultivate mindfulness is to pay attention to what matters to you. Be thankful. Second most important tactic that usually we neglect to practice is being thankful. It is a proven pathway that leads to happiness. You must remind yourself of the blessings you have in your life. You must learn to appreciate yourself. Most importantly, learn to bless yourself. The words which we speak have power to either make us or break us. These are the miracles in the mouth. Our words follow us and become our reality. When we speak positively, we attract positive vibes which help us become mindful and ultimately contribute to our success. Think you are a blessing for someone else. Third tactic of being mindful is to remind ourselves that we are a source of comfort for someone else. We often forget about the feelings of other people. We get so captivated with what we want that we become self-centered. When you start to understand what others feel and how you can be a source of comfort for them, it makes you mindful. It gives you inner peace and satisfaction, which is actually important for you to grow and prosper. You can make a difference in people's lives, whether it be your clients or your family. Peace out. Stay safe.